She's here. She's here. Let me fix the camera. Oh, I heard the dogs barking, and I was in the shower, and I knew what was coming. At least I hoped it was coming. My new sewing machine. Some of you know that I had a sewing shop a few years ago that I closed down. I retired from doing alterations. I've been retired from using the word. And all my sewing machines have finally kicked the bucket. I've got one that's, I thought she was on her last legs, but I cleaned her up and oiled her and made sure everything was correct on it. Oh my gosh! Hello, hello. She's so pretty. This is a Brother sewing machine. The item number is DZ1500F. It's a Designio is how they pronounce it. I call it a Designio. It's a high-speed straight stitch sewing machine. It has all these cool attachments. That's the cat jumping into the big box that this came in. And it has a needle felting attachment. I thought that was really cool. What all do we have? Oh, it's got a big table attachment that goes on it. Hush! Hush, dogs. There's the book. Whoops. Oh, it's got a nice cover. It's cushioned. Oh, wow. Self-standing. You guys want to come out of the box? Okay. Oh, there's the neat. Oh, it came with some wool. Wool candy. I'm getting everything where I need to set the machine. Okay. Oh, it's got a handle. I'm going to turn it so I can drop everything. The foot pedal's going to fall out. So if you hear a bang, it's just the foot pedal. It's not that bad. I think it's 34 pounds, which is heavy enough. She's cold, poor baby. Hello. Welcome to my studio. Here's all the attachments. I've never had a machine this big before. Or this expensive. For me, she was $649, and it's a $1,200 machine. I got it on Amazon. I think there were other places. Oh my gosh, it's got all kinds of goodies. It's got a walking foot. I've never used a walking foot. It's got a full-size screwdriver, y'all. And a sleek and compact gas pedal. Okay. Hee hee hee. I'm just excited. Voila! I know you can't see it. You're just looking at my face going, what is she looking at? Can you see it? I'm looking at the camera trying to figure this out. Pardon the mess all around. With my hand, never mind. I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to touch. It's all metal. Yes, except for that top cover. That little top right there. It's got a thread cutter. It's got a needle up or a needle down. Feed dogs. I think it has a pin feed in there too. She's gorgeous. And it has, there's all the junk. You can get to the bobbin through the side. That's nice. Oh yay, and there's my unboxing for today. Telescoping cone thread holder. That, I like that. Whoops. I didn't break it, I promise. Awesome. Okay. I'm gonna get her hooked up and play because I can't help myself.